This is the Pelikan M805 Blue Dunes fountain pen. It comes in that traditional Pelikan cardboard box, has a Pelikan logo on the top of the box lid. The pen comes in a leatherette case. It has the Pelikan logo embossed on the bottom corner with the Pelikan logo on a medallion with a elastic closure. And of course we have the Pelikan 805 Blue Dunes fountain pen. This has a pearlized black and blue resin on the cap and barrel of the pen. There is a little slight transparency where you can actually see the nib through the cap of the pen and a little bit into the body of the pen for the ink levels. The 805 Sovereign pen comes with a chrome colored trim, so it has a chrome Pelikan bill shaped clip with the Pelikan logo on the top of the cap, and at the center of the pen or the bottom of the cap is two bands. The thicker one is engraved with Germany Pelikan Sovereign, and then at the bottom of the barrel there's two small chrome rings with a black knob. This black knob is used to actuate the piston, so it unscrews and will run the piston through the barrel of the pen to fill it. The cap is threaded and unscrews and will post on the end of the barrel of the pen. The 805 is one of the larger Pelikan pens, and it comes with a 18 karat gold nib. This is a Rhodium Plated Nib to match the trim on the pen with the silver color, and a black feed. It also has a matching black section that matches the knob on the end of the barrel of the pen, just a simple resin. Beautiful pen that's just has some beautiful resins. Pelikan's a great brand. They're made in Germany. Get your Pelikan Sovereign 805 Blue Dunes fountain pen at penchalet.com.